creating a new Apple ID directly on your iPhone is a simple process, whether you're looking for a fresh account or need an additional one for any reason. To begin, open the Settings app from your home screen. At the top of the Settings menu, tap your name to access your Apple ID details. Under your name, you'll see your current Apple ID and its associated email address. So you will need a new email address for this process. Once you've identified the email currently in use, exit the Settings app and open your web browser. Navigate to apple.geo/geo/geo/identification. I imagine that you're out of ID. If prompted to log in, avoid doing so. Instead, look for the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Create Apple ID. And once you've completed the form, submit it to finalize the creation of your new account. If you'd like to use this new Apple ID on your iPhone, return to the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom of the Apple ID section and tap Sign Out. After signing out, you can log back in using the newly created Apple ID. This will replace the current account on your device with the new one. Following these steps ensures that your new Apple ID is ready for use, either on the current device or any other Apple product.